Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing question number 8 of exercise 10.5 of chapter 10 circles, and the question is, if the non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, then prove that it is cyclic. This question is very important and it can be done in two ways. First way is without taking this trapezium inside a circle, and the other way is just by taking the trapezium in the circle. So here I am doing the way in which the trapezium is not lying within the circle. So hope this will prove to be easy for you. Let's draw. This is trapezium. You know, trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So this is A, B, C, D. So this is a trapezium. In this, non-parallel sides are equal, means this and this side are equal. And you know, this AB and this DC are parallel to each other, right? So we are to prove that it is cyclic. So here in this question, we need to do one construction. You need to draw one AM perpendicular on DC and one perpendicular, the name is BN, on DC. So by this way it will be proved a cyclic. Now we will write, let ABCD be a trapezium. Let ABCD be a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. One side is parallel to the other side, opposite sides. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. So here we are doing one construction. So that construction we will write, draw AM perpendicular on DC and BN perpendicular on DC. So this construction we have done. Now proof. We need to prove two triangles congruent. कैसे? First you see, is AD given equal to BC? Yes, because non-parallel sides are given equal. I am writing here given. You have read the property in junior classes 6th 7th that distance, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains the same everywhere. So AM will be equal to BN. तो आप यहाँ रीजन लिख दो, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains same everywhere. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains the same everywhere. Now angle AMD, this is equal to angle BNC. Angle AMD is equal to angle BNC. ये आप लिखेंगे each 90 डिग्री बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन. each 90 डिग्री कहां से है ये 90? बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट? तो कौन सी कॉन्ग्रुएंस यहां लगेगी? RHS कॉन्ग्रुएंस कंडीशन बाई RHS congruence condition by RHS congruence condition. Triangle AMD is congruent to triangle BNC. Now these both the triangles have become congruent. So this angle ADM and BCN, they will be equal. Angle ADM is equal to angle BCN. They will be equal by CPCT. Now angle DAB plus angle ADC. Here is angle AD. Here I am writing angle ADC, that is 180 degree co-interior angles. Now this ADC angle is angle ADM also, और ये किसके बराबर है? एंगल BCN के, जिसे हम एंगल BCD भी बोलेंगे. तो आप ADC की एंगल की जगह क्या लिख सकते हो? एंगल BCD इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. आप यहां पर क्या करो, ऐसे लिख लो, बिकॉज एंगल ADC it has been proved equal to angle BCD, right? So angle DAB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. तो जैसे आपने ये DAB यानी ये पूरा प्लस BCD ये पूरा, इसको और इसके सम को आपने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? 180. इसी तरीके से आप एंगल ABC ये प्लस एंगल ADC इसका सम भी आप क्या प्रूव कर सकते हो? 180 डिग्री. तो आप लिख देंगे सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव angle this ABC. Similarly, we can prove angle ABC plus angle ADC as 180 डिग्री. अब ऑपोजिट एंगल्स का सम जो है वो 180 डिग्री हो गया, राइट? इसको आप नंबर 1 दे दो और इसको आप नंबर दे दो 2. अब यहां लिखेंगे फ्रॉम 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, the sum of either pair of opposite angles, the sum of either pair of opposite angles, the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a trapezium is 180 डिग्री. यहां क्या प्रूव कर दिया आपने कि ऑपोजिट एंगल जो उनका सम क्या है? 180 डिग्री है, राइट? देयरफॉर it is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this was the solution of question number 8. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.